welcome back to Carfax. Today we're working on a 5.3 Avalanche. This is the dirty inlet positive crankcase valve hose. So it goes from back there to that hole right there, and basically this hose just basically uses what it's used for is to run any emissions that wasn't used during combustion back to the system so that it's used. Pretty simple to do. This has a lock mechanism. Basically push that black tab up and over the lip, and then it opens up and you can lift it up and out. And this guy just twists on like that, untwist them and pull out. Okay, so now I got the new one on. So like I said, you twist this guy. We'll pop this guy off first in the back here. Pop up and twist. Like this rubber band won't be there. You just pop. If it is, just pop it off, because you're gonna sneak it over that. Tuck it underneath this, and you're gonna need a 10mm bolt to loosen that up so you can sneak it underneath, so you don't gotta take any of this crap off. And it is installed. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Other than that, hope this video helped. Okay, so right now I am checking to see if there's any history DTCs or current DTCs in the system for the check engine light that was on, but now it is off. My camera will ever focus. So yeah, right now it's off. So right now, just throwing the scan tool on it for the DTC check. Okay, in this case, this is a speed activated transfer case. It is base radio with automatic heating. And this has trailer brake. So it's detecting the one fault code that I found in the ECM. It'll show us here in a minute. There's no other fault code so far, other than the one in the ECM, which is a fuel trim cylinder balance bank 1. P219A-00, which is a generic code. As this code right now is currently a history DTC because it's not active. So what we're going to do, if it was still active, I would also be able to clear it. I can't clear the code whatsoever. So, actually I can, hold on, let me see if I clear it. Yeah, okay. So now with that code out of the system, we are going to drive this thing and see if replacing the positive crankcase dirty inlet hose fix the excessive air intake. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Yeah, it's fucking cold, so see you guys in a flash.